Hello friends, in this section we will discuss how we can implement a binary search tree. So friends, here I have created one class by name binary search tree, which is having a main method. And we also discussed in our previous tutorial that binary search tree is nothing but a binary tree. So friends, the initial implementation of binary search tree is very similar to binary tree. In binary search tree class, we'll create an instance variable of type tree node, which would be nothing but the root of the binary search tree. So here we can see the type is of tree node. So we'll create an inner class. We'll give it a name as tree node. So friends, here binary search tree is a type of binary tree. Therefore the implementation which we saw in the binary tree is very much similar to binary search tree, that we have created one inner class by name tree node. Also friends, in our previous tutorial we discussed that a tree node consists of three parts. One is the data part, so private int data. So this property will hold the data of the tree node. Here I have taken the type of this data as integer, so it can be any generic type as well. Also friends, we know that binary search tree is a type of a binary tree where each tree node has two children. One is the left children and one is the right children. So we'll create a tree node and we'll give it a name as left, and we'll create one more tree node and we give it a name as right. So basically a tree node has two children, one is the left and one is the right. Inside this tree node class we'll also provide a constructor, so public tree node, and this constructor will take the data part. So we'll initialize the data of this tree node with a value which you have passed into the constructor. And also friend, whenever the new tree node is created, the left and right points to null. So friend, this is how we actually represent a binary search tree in Java. In our upcoming tutorial, we'll actually see how we can insert and how we can search a node into a binary search tree. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.